How to contact Splitwise support. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact Splitwise support. Now, if you're in a situation where you have questions to ask or you made some mistakes on your accounts and then you're wondering how you can settle it, but you don't know how to, don't worry, I'll show you how you can contact Splitwise support in this tutorial. So what do we do? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the app installed on your mobile device and that you're using the latest version of the app. So once you've ensured that, go ahead and open the app. Once you've opened the app, you're brought to the last page or your groups page on your Splitwise account. So once you're there, just look at the lower part of the screen where you can see some icons. Ensure you select the account icon. Once you've selected it, you'll be taken to the accounts page, okay, where you would see your account settings, account code, Splitwise Pro, email settings, device and push notification settings, password, rate Splitwise, and then contact Splitwise support. You just click on it that way. And once you've clicked on it, you wait for it to load, and then you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be redirected to the email, to the email of to your email, and then from this email you will be asked to send a message directly to Splitwise. All right, so on this page, as you can see on my screen, you can see your email will be displayed already, support code, the device, and the next thing for you is to type out your questions. All right, once your questions have been typed out, click on the send icon by the top right corner of the screen, and then once you click on send, the message will be sent to Splitwise, and within hours your message will be reviewed and the response will be sent to you. It is that simple, okay? So ensure you contact Splitwise support today. Thanks for watching.